Today we are here to ask one simple question. How do you transfer your crypto from Binance to a personal wallet? Let's find out. First things first, this tutorial is being shown on Binance.US. I live in the United States, but the overall tutorial process is very similar on Binance.com, so if you are around the world, this video should still be helpful to you. And I'm going to be demonstrating this on both PC and on cell phone, so no matter how you're trying to do it, it should work for you. With that being said, let's get to the video. Alright, once you're signed into the Binance account, it should bring you right to your dashboard right over here. If for whatever reason you don't see your crypto or you're on a different page, just find the wallet section, tap it, and it will bring you to the correct place. Once we do this, what we want to do is scroll down to the cryptocurrency that we are trying to transfer out of, and we are going to tap on it. Once we do, it gives us a couple different options: buy, deposit, withdraw. In this video, we are going to hit withdraw. Then we're going to tap on the withdraw button right there. Once we do that, it will bring us to this page. It's going to ask us how much Solana we want to send. We're going to send 0.3. It's going to make sure we're on the correct coin. And then down below, it's going to show network. Depending on the cryptocurrency you send, it might have multiple networks. For example, let's say you were sending Tether. You might see Solana, Ethereum, Tron, a couple different options. Whichever wallet you're sending it to, just make sure it matches here. Since we're using Solana, we are seeing that it says Solana. It doesn't give us any other options, but it's always good to double check, triple check your work. Next, it's going to ask us for our receiving wallet. I am going to go copy paste the wallet I intend to use and paste it over here. Now that I pasted the wallet that I intend to use, we're going to hit preview withdraw, and we are going to verify all this information right here. So let's take a look. We are going to be withdrawing 0.3 Solana, the receiving address that I'm sending it to. Again, double check, triple check, make sure this is right, because if one thing is wrong, you will not get your crypto back. It will be lost forever. The fee in which we are getting charged to send, and the total withdrawal amount after fees. So I'm going to hit confirm withdraw, and then it is going to ask for my code from my authenticator. I'm going to type that in, and I will be right back. Once we verify using the authenticator, it's going to bring us to this screen. We've sent you a confirmation email to confirm your withdrawal. Please click the button in the email. Once we do that, it's going to bring us to this screen right here saying withdrawal order submitted. Your withdrawal request has been submitted. You may visit history to check on your order status. So since we got the confirmation, let's take a look at two places. We're going to tap on Solana. Once we do that, it's going to bring us back to this screen, and it is going to show Sol withdrawal, and it's going to show the amount and the time. And then what we can end up doing right now is pulling up the Phantom wallet. I will show you a quick pop-up showing that we received the said Solana crypto. So this was a huge success. Everything went through. Now let's do it from the mobile phone. All right, when we log into the Binance.US app, this is going to be the default screen. What we are going to do is tap portfolio at the bottom. Then what we are going to do is scroll over here to where it says Solana, and we are going to tap Solana. Once we do that, it is going to bring us to this page right here, and it gives us two options: deposit or withdraw. We are going to tap on withdraw. Next, it is going to ask for what address we want to send this to. I already copied and pasted it before starting this next part of the recording. And over here, we are going to verify a couple things before hitting continue. First, make sure the network matches what we're actually sending, because if you send it to the wrong network, you will not receive your crypto, you will not get it back, and it will be gone forever and ever and ever. Also, make sure that this wallet address matches the one that we are actually sending it to. I have done that already. I know it is correct, so we are going to hit continue. Once we do this, it's going to say how much do we want to send. I am going to send the remaining Solana that I have in this wallet, which is 0.302339919. I'm going to hit preview. Over here, it's going to make us verify a whole bunch of information. Make sure everything is correct. Again, double check, triple check. If you're planning on sending any large amounts of crypto, it's always good to double check, triple check. Now I'm going to hit confirm withdraw. Once I do this, it's going to pop up with the authenticator again. I'm going to verify the authenticator, and I will be right back. Once we verified using our authenticator, it brought us to this screen right here, withdrawal pending. Please click the confirmation link in the email we sent you. So what I'm going to do right now is log into my email. I'm going to tap confirm withdraw, and by doing that, everything should be good. Everything should be submitted. And now that it is confirmed, let's double check. We're going to tap under portfolio. We're going to scroll to where it says Solana. Once we do that, we will see under transaction history that the withdrawal has gone through and now it is just pending. And after a couple minutes, we'll show the transaction officially going through in the wallet that I sent it to. So there you have it, guys, a nice easy tutorial on how to withdraw your crypto using Binance US. And like I said earlier in the video, it should work for Binance.com. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you have a blessed day. Peace.